Hello students, let's read this question. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. So let's start the solution. First number is 81. Let's take the LCM of 81. So it will be divided by 3, we get 27. Again divided by 3, we get 9. Again divided by 3, we get 3. Again divided by 3, we get 1. So the 81 having the factors 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here we can see that we have one triplet. So by what number we divide 81 to make it perfect cube. So for making it perfect cube, we have to divide 81 by 3. Move on to the second one, which is 128. So taking the LCM of 128, dividing it by 2, we get 64. Again dividing by 2, we get 32. Again dividing by 2, we get 16. Again dividing by 2, we get 8. Again dividing by 2, we get 4. Again dividing by 2, we get 2. Again dividing by 2, we get 1. So 128 having factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Total 7 2. So here we have two triplets of 2, but one is still remaining. That means if we divide 128 by number 2, we can make perfect cube. Now move on to the third one, which is 135. Taking the LCM of 135, which can be divided by 3, which will give 45. Again dividing by 3, which will give 15. Again dividing by 3, which we will get 5. Again, now dividing by 5, we will get 1. So the factors of 135 will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So here we have triplet of 3, but 5 is single. That means if we divide 135 by 5, we can make it perfect cube. So move on to the fourth one, which is number 192. So taking the LCM of 192, by dividing it 2, we get 96. Again dividing by 2, we get 48. Again dividing by 2, we get 24. Again dividing by 2, we get 12. Again dividing by 2, we get 6. Again dividing by 2, we get 3. Again dividing by 3, we get 1. So the factors of 192 is 6 times 2 and 1 times 3. That means we have two triplets of 2, but 3 is single. That means if we divide 192 by 3, we can make this number perfect cube. Now move on to the fifth one, which is 704. So if we take the LCM of 704, by dividing it by 2, we will get 352. Again dividing by 2, we will get 176. Again dividing by 2, we will get 88. Again dividing by 2, we will get 44. Again dividing by 2, we will get 22. Again dividing by 2, we will get 11. Now dividing it by 11, we get 1. So the factors of 704 are 6 times 2, 1 times 11. So we have two triplets of 2, but 11 is single. That means if we divide 704 by 11, we get the perfect square. So we have found out the smallest number by which if we divide each of the number, it will become perfect cube. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.